like sugar on my tongue.
Nimeigonga tu hivi ikaanguka. Oh well. Imevunjika in a crazy way.
Sasa imepata kurekodi.
Hey, imagine.
Siwende pale uninunulie toothbrush na toothpaste. Mpaka toothbrush. How now? Ni mimi nasahau.
For once, wait. For once, Martin remembered to carry a toothbrush, and not only that, toothpaste too. Toothpaste is wild for Martin to remember. Wild. I am fully dressed and ready to go outside for day one of being here. Our first full day being around, which granted we got here yesterday at around 10. But yesterday everyone was just rotting and sleeping and doing the list. So today we're going out. It's already 1, but the beach is best in the afternoon so that I don't get fully sunburnt, which has happened before, I'm telling you. So this is the outfit, just my tiny skirt. I'm in love with this skirt one. And then this bikini top that I made from scratch. Yes, my bikini top, and then this shirt that I'm gonna use as a cover up because we're going to eat fast and I don't want to be naked at the restaurant. And then I will also be doing these sunnies to just like complete the fit. I like it. I like that the sunnies are perfectly tiny because I already feel like I'm doing not the most but something. The outfit as is, I want it to stand out and I love it so much. Yeah, let's go out, let's go mingle, let's go to the beach, man. I've been waiting to dip myself in that water for literally this whole year. That's all I've been wanting to do this whole year, and finally the time is here. So I don't know if my skin is acting up a bit, but I don't want to jinx it, so we're not even gonna talk about it. But yeah, that's the outfit. Let's go see what everybody else is doing and then we head out. Our B&B was literally a walking distance to town, and if you know anything about traveling, is that local transport really adds up and literally could cost you a lot on the trip. So this was the most convenient thing ever because we just walk around and access like eating points, transport, everything was so local within us, and it was the best thing ever.
It was 2025.
We're back at the same place.
Jubilee.
Tulikuwa last time,
Yes.
no, yesterday, to have our lunch that we had at 11 a.m. Yeah, but we're back here having lunch before the beach. What do you have to say? Suisse.
This is the time the last time we went to the beach and tukachomwa, tukapata maji imeenda, tujaribu kujizamisha kwa hizo pools kidogo. It was not working.
I came back black on some parts.
Why you like black?
I
She was.
asked mom.
She was.
I was.
Like she wore a vest.
Yeah,
You were like this.
I was like that.
Like this.
Below, like where my shorts are reaching, below, slightly above my knees.
The top.
And then I had like this atop. So half my body from right here to my knees, to slightly above my knees, was my shade. And then everywhere else I was really, really dark. Sunburnt, sun roasted.
You know better.
Yeah.
I got a kid
No.
looking fine as always.
It's not yours.
That man settling right at the cape is not his, yeah. But yeah, the cape is mine. They're all borrowing it.
But
The food is here. I was having chicken pilau and then chicken biryani and chicken biryani passion and then sugarcane and sugarcane. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I literally just ordered what my mom had the previous day because it was so good and I couldn't get over it. And this time, I just wanted to make sure I have the food that I actually want because my shawarma previously was just made and her food was so good I wanted to eat all of it.
alikuwa kando yako hadi akashika kiti kwa Mwaka ni go. You know, this is too much. Nikarudi nikalala.
Ndio alogake fara.
Nothing is disgusting. Sasa muuliza mama, mbona umeanza kumrosta kwa mdomo ya sana? This was just me pretending to be a local surfer girl who just pretty much knows the boat guys and just like lives her best life on the water, which I don't know, manifesting or whatever, but yeah. And then the surf guy dude, the owner of the surfboard, decided to actually teach me how to surf, this is way harder than it actually looks because I don't know, there's just something about standing on a thing that has no grip on it and being on the water, and the water was actually moving because it was, I don't know if I can say high tide, but like the water was actually very movie and windy, but this was actually so fun. But the downside was the Beach Boys, cause man, that's a whole other thing. But if you know, you know, the Beach Boys are the worst.
Raha 2025. Who is first? God is faithful. Hadi Mwoga.
After beach snack, I'm having lemon lime ice pop.
Comfort me.
To comfort him. Why? I'm also not aware why he's being comforted. And then we have our mother just walking ahead. You see where we get our goofiness from. Maybe that I created it's on Lenny by Tuesday. Come on, Wednesday. Tuesday. Ai machini mwangalia. It's Thursday. Thursday we're booking our juzi usiku. We're booking our Saturday bus today on Thursday. 9 p.m. 9 p.m.
Oh my God.
We side-quested so hard, we ended up for a roadside kibandaski having coffee. This is so fun. And this guy.
And this guy.
Puja tu.